name is Chris Hagan. I'm one of the sales managers here at Thompson Lexus Doylestown. Today we're going to show you how we recondition a fresh trade-in. This one happens to be a 2019 Lexus GX. Here at the Thompson organization, the reconditioning process is a little bit different than most other places.
We want to give the customer a car that is not going to give them any problems, fault-free, and pretty much close back to new. When we first bring a car in, Chris and I walk around the car together and make sure everything is in working order.
The vehicle actually met Lexus specifications for certification. The tires and brakes were both at 6, which is about 60%. Unfortunately, those don't meet the Thompson standards, so we replaced both of them.
Thompson actually goes above and beyond. Anything that is below spec, we replace and make brand new.
And then after that, we send it over to our detail department. There's over 50 employees there whose sole purpose is to make the vehicle like new. We fixed the front bumper, we took out some scratches, we actually dyed the seats, and we did a full detail. And then the last step is it gets delivered back to us before we put it on the lot. A manager will actually look at the vehicle. We hold ourselves to a high standard, and we're always trying to meet that standard. So all in all, the reconditioning process here at the Thompson organization is very important. We obviously want the vehicles to meet safety standards for your family, for you, as well as cosmetic standards that we hold ourselves to. The salespeople to the managers, our detail department, as well as our service department, take great pride in making a quality product for the customer. We would like to invite you down to any of our dealerships, especially here at Thompson Lexus Doylestown, to take a look at our vehicles for yourself.